Okay guys, balik ulit tayo. Looking back death penalty in the Philippines. Ito yung guys yung mga dating death penalty na ginawa dito sa Pilipinas o yung mga inadapt natin. The Spanish colonial government. Dito guys, for example lang natin dito si Dr. Jose Rizal. Dito, through public firing squad, binabaril sa publiko para hindi tularan ng iba. The Americans taught the Filipinos to use electrical chair, making the Philippines the only other country to use it at that time. Ginamit din natin guys yung form of punishment o form of death penalty yung electrical chair. Nakalimutan ko kung sino yung unang taong ginamitan nito eh. Search nyo na lang guys para malaman nyo rin. President Ferdinand Marcos returned the death penalty through firing squad in 1976. Inadapt niya si Spanish colonial government guys pagdating kay President Marcos. By decree of Freedom Constitution of 1986, death penalty was abolished, making the Philippines the first Asian country to do so. Yan. Dito daw yung panahon ng 1986 Constitution, inabolish na yung death penalty. Kauna-unahing Asian country na siyang gumawa na tanggalin yung death penalty dito. In 1992, President Fidel Ramos reinstated the death penalty in form of lethal injection. Yan. Yun, naalala ko na. Si Leo Echegaray, guys. Siya ang una at huling ginamitan ng lethal injection. 1992. President Gloria abolished the death penalty again in 2006, moving all the prisoners from the death row to life imprisonment sentence. Tinanggal na ni Miss President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo yung death penalty. Kaya ang ginawa niya dito, ginawa niya ng life imprisonment, yung sentence ng mga criminal offender natin. Pero guys tandaan niyo yung death penalty, hindi siya totally, hindi siya abolish totally. Kumbaga, lang yan, pwedeng ibalik ulit yan. Katulad nga ni President Duterte ngayon, pinag-aaralan nila kung paano ibalik ulit yung death penalty. Because of the crime rate of the Philippines. Alam niyo naman, ang plataforma ni Mr. President, I hate drugs. Death penalty. Yan. Yan, katulad ko kanina. Electrical chair, guys. Marshal Ama. Ayan, siya pala pa ang una-unahang ginamitan. Si Baby Ama pala, guys. Kung napanood yung Robin Padilla na movie. Marshal Ama. Yan. Garot ito eh. Siya una-una ang Pilipino. Pero walang pangalan. Search nyo lang guys. What are the chemical used in lethal injection? Ano ba yung mga chemical na ginagamit para sa pag-lethal injection na to? Sodium thiopental or pentobarbital. An anesthetic agent used at high dose that renders the person unconscious in the less than 30 seconds. Depression of respiratory activity is one of the characteristic action of this drug. Masyadong malala guys. Pancorium bromide causes complete fast and sustained paralysis of the skeletal strain muscle of including the diaphragm and the rest of the respiratory muscle. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga form of na chemical use ng lethal injection, talagang unti-unti siyang pinapatay. Potassium chloride. Increase the blood and cardiac concentration of potassium to stop the heart via abnormal heartbeat and cause death by cardiac arrest. Ito yung pinaka main ingredient guys. Talagang puso na ang pinapatigil niya. Tandaan nyo to guys Sodium thiopental. Yan mga ingredients na yan. Kasi madalas tinatanong sa board exam yan. Physical torture. Affecting by maiming, mutilation, whipping, and other inhumane barbaric forms of fleeting pain. Kaya natin inadapt yung lethal injection guys kasi syempre form of punishment pa rin, kumbaga gusto pa rin ng mga ibang tao na makatao pa rin yung pag-form ng punishment. Doon kasi sa lethal injection talagang mabilis, tapos hindi makikita basta-basta ng ibang tao na parang brutal. Dito sa unang panahon kasi guys talagang uso-uso yan. Yung maiming, mutilation, pagputol ng mga katawan, pag-whipping, paggamit ng iba't ibang parusa para talagang mapahiya yung tao at hindi tularan ng iba. Social degradation, yan. Ginawa to dahil sa isang mayor, gumawa na ito dati. Yan. Pamamahiya sa maraming tao para hindi tularan ng iba. Banishment or exile, yan. Pinapalayas. Kunyari, nandito ka sa Las Piñas. Yan. Umalis ka dito. Hindi ka namin kailangan dito. Dapat pumunta ka ng ibang bayan o ibang lungsod. It's either Mindanao, Visayas. Ayan, a form of punishment. Early forms of prison discipline. Hard labor. Pagtatrabaho. Yan. Deprivation. Deprivation from anything except those need for existence. Pag de-deprive ng mga, kunyari, kung pang-araw-araw natin na buhay, yung mayroon kang mga limit na hindi ibibigay sa'yo ng gobyerno. Yan ang form of punishment natin. Monotony. Giving the same food that is off diet or requiring prisoner to perform boring daily routine. Isa lang yung pagkain na binibigay sa'yo, parang off diet ka daw, hindi requiring pa, boring daily routine. Bibigyan ka ng mga trabaho pa, bago ka makakain. Uniformity. We treat the prisoner alike, fault or one is fault of all. Kasalanan ng isa, kasalanan ng lahat, guys. Yan. Mass movement, mass living in cell blocks, mass eating, mass bathing, mass recreation. Sama-sama sila, guys. Dapat hindi sila maghihiwalay. Sama-sama sila sa eating, bathing, paligo, tapos pagbabago. Corporal punishment, imposing brutal punishment. Katulad ng sa mga kanina, nakita nyo kanina, guys, yung form of punishment, mutilation, whipping, yan yung mga brutal punishment na ginagawa dati. Solitary confinement, non-communication. Yung kanina, guys, sa Arbor system and Pennsylvania system, yung solitary confinement, diba? Solitary system. Kung makikita nyo kanina sa previous discussion natin. Talagang ito, mababalo ka dito dahil doon ka lang sa single cell ka lang talaga. Ang ginagamit natin, guys, lagi nyo tatandaan yung congregate system, the urban system. Social degradation, yan. Nakita kanina, public humiliation or shaming. Consider as the age of enlightenment. Yan, nakikita na daw yung maliwanag na pagbabago para sa form of punishment na ginagawa ng ibang tao. Yan ay 1870 to 1880. Rise of humanistic goals of punishment. Classical school of thoughts. Free will doctrine. Cesar Beccaria, psychological hedonism. Jeremy Bentham, felicitic calculus. Neoclassical school of thought, children and lunatic must be free from punishment. Yung mga kabataan, tapos yung mga baliw, na wala sa tamang pag-iisip, dapat kahit paano tanggalin na daw sa punishment. Positivism, Italian school of thoughts. Crime as most phenomena in criminals as seek treatment versus punishment. Yan, guys. Treatment versus punishment. Ano ba ang makakabuti according to positivist school? Yung i-rehabilitate ba natin yung mga criminal offender o paparusahan natin according sa batas na nakasasakupan nila? The Sheriff of Bedfordshire in 1773, who devoted his life and fortune to prison reform after his finding on English prison, he recommended the following: single cells for sleeping, segregation of women, segregation of youth, provision of sanitation facilities, abolition of peasant system by which jailer obtained money from prisoner. Greatest prison reformer. Si John Howard. Siya, guys, yung nagpasimula ng mga pagbabago talaga. Dapat magkaiwalay yung babae sa lalaki, yung mga kabataan, dapat meron silang sariling kulungan. Dapat pagdating ng panahon, kung tamang edad na nila, doon lang sila ililipat. Tapos yung sanitation facilities, tanggalin daw dapat naayos. Tapos yung mga pagbabayad, fee system, para yung mga jailers o mga nagbabantay ay malayo sa mga korupsyon sa kulungan. Siya yung tinagurian the greatest prison reformer, si Mr. John Howard. Yan, ito yung picture niya, guys. Baka kilala niya yan. Yan. Father of Penology, si Mr. John Howard. Hindi nawawala yun sa board exam, guys. Pioneers of Reformation. William Penn, he's the first leader to prescribe imprisonment as the correctional treatment for major